Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer assets between exchanges. Today, I'm walking you through how to transfer BUSD from Coinbase to Bitrue step by step. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Bitrue. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to your dashboard. Find your BUSD wallet, it's usually under your assets list. Before you proceed, confirm that BUSD is supported and check the network compatibility. In 2025, most transfers use the BEP20 network for speed and lower fees, so ensure both exchanges are on the same network to prevent any issues. Next, hop over to your Bitrue account. Go to the deposit section for BUSD. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully, as it's case-sensitive and crucial for the transfer. Don't forget to note the network type. Mismatched networks can lead to lost funds. Now, back on Coinbase, select your BUSD balance and choose the Withdraw option. Paste the Bitrue wallet address into the recipient field, and double-check it to avoid typos. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave some for network fees, which can vary based on congestion. Review the details, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Once approved, the transaction will process. While you wait, keep an eye on your transaction status. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it shows up in your Bitrue wallet, you're all set. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms for security. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.